Our planet teems with life, a breathtaking tapestry woven from countless species. From the smallest insects, often unseen but vital, to the massive whales, the gentle giants of our oceans, all are intricately woven into a delicate web of life, each playing a crucial role. But this web is unraveling at an alarming rate, a silent crisis unfolding before our eyes. Scientists estimate dozens of species vanish every day, disappearing from the face of the Earth, often without us even knowing. Each extinction weakens ecosystems, diminishing their resilience and ability to support life, threatening the stability of the natural world, pushing it closer to a point of no return. We depend on it for our survival. Consider the bee, a tiny creature with an outsized impact, responsible for pollinating a third of our food crops, ensuring the abundance of our harvests. Yet now, in steep decline due to the overuse of pesticides, habitat loss driven by deforestation, and the escalating effects of climate change. The loss of bees would threaten global food security, leading to widespread shortages and economic instability, impacting every community, from the smallest village to the largest metropolis. This isn't just about animals and plants. It's not just about preserving the beauty of the natural world. It's about us, our future, and the well-being of generations to come. We are living through Earth's sixth mass extinction event, a period of unprecedented biodiversity loss, driven not by natural disasters like volcanic eruptions or asteroid impacts, but by human activity, by our relentless pursuit of economic growth at the expense of the environment. The scale and speed of this loss are unprecedented, far exceeding anything seen in the fossil record. Our choices now will decide which species survive, which ecosystems endure, and which are lost forever, fading into the silence of extinction. The silence of extinction is growing louder, a haunting reminder of what we stand to lose. The fate of the natural world, the intricate web of life that sustains us all and our own, hangs precariously in the balance at a critical tipping point. Will we act? Will we rise to the challenge before it's too late, before the silence becomes deafening? Habitat destruction, driven by human activities, is the leading cause of species loss, threatening the very fabric of our planet's biodiversity. It's a stark reminder of our impact on the natural world. Forests fall at an alarming rate for agriculture, cities sprawl relentlessly, consuming natural landscapes, and vital wetlands vanish, leaving countless creatures homeless and disrupting crucial ecological processes. The orangutan's rainforest, its ancient home, is cleared for palm oil plantations, pushing this magnificent creature to the very brink of extinction. Climate change further accelerates the crisis, exacerbating existing threats and creating new ones. Melting Arctic ice, a critical habitat, and bleaching coral reefs at an alarming rate, faster than species can possibly adapt to these drastic changes. Overfishing relentlessly empties our oceans, while pollution relentlessly poisons our land and water sources, contaminating ecosystems and harming countless species. And invasive species, often introduced by human activity, disrupt fragile ecosystems, outcompeting native species and altering habitats. The Sumatran tiger, with fewer than 400 left in the wild, is relentlessly hunted for its parts, and its precious forests are destroyed to make way for human development. As apex predators vanish from the landscape, entire ecosystems begin to unravel, leading to unforeseen consequences. These immense pressures combine into a perfect storm, relentlessly pushing countless species toward the brink of extinction. The loss of each species is a devastating blow to the delicate balance of life on Earth, weakening the resilience of our planet. Our impact is undeniably profound, but it is not and must not be irreversible. Amid the crisis, there are stories of hope, like the comeback of the humpback whale. Once nearly wiped out by commercial whaling, their numbers plummeted by over 95%. In 1986, a global ban on whaling gave them a chance to recover. International cooperation, protected habitats, and science-driven action made the difference. Today, humpback populations are rebounding, their songs once again filling the oceans. Their recovery proves extinction isn't inevitable. When we act together, nature can heal. Hope is real, if we choose it. The humpback story, a tale of resilience and recovery, reminds us we are not bystanders idly watching the world go by. We are the active participants, the authors of nature's future, and we have the power to shape its destiny. Protecting biodiversity in all its forms is not just an environmental concern, it is absolutely essential for our own survival and well-being. We must fundamentally shift our perspective and see ourselves as an integral part of nature, deeply interconnected with all living things, not as something separate or apart from it. Every action, no matter how small, counts and contributes to the larger picture. Support sustainable choices in our daily lives, actively restore damaged habitats, and diligently reduce waste. Education and advocacy, spreading awareness and inspiring action, empower us to demand meaningful change from our leaders and policymakers, and wholeheartedly support vital conservation efforts. The future of our planet is in our hands, quite literally. We can passively continue down the path of silent vanishing and ecological decline, or actively become a powerful force for restoration and renewal. The task before us is undoubtedly immense, but it is absolutely possible to achieve. Let's commit to being the generation that actively mends the intricate web of life. Our choices and actions today will profoundly shape the world for all generations to come, leaving a legacy of stewardship and sustainability.